Hello friends, today I will discuss about semester 2nd chemistry practical in inorganic chemistry section first. First practical is volumetric analysis. Experiment number 1. Firstly, aim of this practical to determine the amount of sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate present in a mixture. This is the aim of the practical. This practical having the titration. Theory of this practical. Theory. This is the double titration. It involves the neutralization of a mixture of two bases employing suitable indicator. A double titration is always carried out in two stages with a suitable indicator at each stage. Firstly, phenolphthalein being extremely sensitive towards the hydrogen ion indicates the end point when sodium carbonate is half neutralized and sodium carbonate is converted to the sodium bicarbonate. Reaction is Na2CO3 plus HCl to give NaHCO3 plus NaCl. Second indicator, methyl orange, is not sensitive to carbonic acid. To consequence, while titrating the mixture with standard acid, the end point is reached when the whole of the carbonate is neutralized. For example, NaHCO3 plus HCl to give NaCl plus H2CO3. The solution contains a slightly excess of hydrochloric acid and the quantitative relationship for the mixture is given below. Volume of acid for phenolphthalein end point gives neutralization of all the NaOH, one half of the Na2CO3, and additional volume of acid for methyl orange end point gives the neutralization of half Na2CO3 and complete NaHCO3. For Na2CO3 multiply volume of acid V1 for phenolphthalein end point by the 2 and NaHCO3 subtract volume of acid for phenolphthalein end point from additional volume of acid V2 for methyl orange end point, that is V2 minus V1. Chemicals HCl. In this practical, chemical having HCl 0.05 molar exact. Second chemical Na2CO3 solution approximate 0.15 molar. NaHCO3 solution having 0.25 molar. Phenolphthalein indicator and methyl orange indicator. Extraction of this practical, give 10 to 15 ml mixed alkali solution in a 100 ml measuring volumetric flask. The procedure of this practical: fill the burette first. First burette is fill the 0.05 molar HCl solution. Dilute the given solution mixture of Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3 to 100 ml distilled water by burette second to take the 10 ml dilute solution of mixture alkalis in a 100 ml conical flask. Add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. The solution become pink. Add HCl solution from burette first. This picture till pink color just disappear. This is the end point of the first iteration. Call this reading V1 ml. Next point is, to this decolorized solution add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator. This solution turns yellow. Continue the addition of HCl from burette first. Shake the flask after each addition. And next point is, at the end point of the color of the solution changes from yellow to orange red. Call this reading V2 ml. Take at least 3 readings. Determine the amount of NaHCO3 and Na2CO3 in diluted 100 ml solution. Next point, observation table of this practical. Burette first HCl solution. Burette second having 10 ml mixture of Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3. Given HCl solution 0.05 molar. To find amount of Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3 in the solution. Indicator used of this practical having phenolphthalein is the first titration and methyl orange is the second titration. Na2CO3 plus twice HCl to give twice NaCl plus H2CO3. This is the first titration of this reaction. And second reaction in this practical having NaHCO3 plus HCl to give NaCl plus water plus CO2. This one is the second titration. Titration first having the phenolphthalein indicator used for an endpoint of pink to colorless endpoint. Reading final level, initial level and different in level. Pilot reading 0.1. Next reading 1 ml, first ml, second and third ml, and there with practical to this reading and constant having burette reading in the mean of the three readings to give V1. Volume of HCl added is equal to V1. Next titration of the methyl red methyl orange indicator, endpoint yellow to orange red. In this reading, final level, initial level and difference in level. First reading is the pilot reading, 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml of this practically 3 readings measured and constant burette reading in V2, 3 readings having mean divided by 3 to give the main reading. This is the volume of HCl added V2 ml in this reading. Constant reading with phenolphthalein is V1 with the methyl orange V2. This reading is not the difference but actual final reading on the burette first. Next point and last one upon the calculation and result table in this practical. First of all, the calculation of this practical difference in reading with two indicators. The difference having V2 minus V1, that is the XML, V2 minus V1 ml of the 0.05 molar HCl are required for neutralization of NaHCO3 in 10 ml of solution. Next point is volume of 0.05 molar HCl required for the complete neutralization of Na2CO3 in 10 ml solution to V1 ml. 1000 ml 1 molar HCl is equal to 53 gram of Na2CO3 and twice V1 ml 0.05 molar HCl is equal to 0.05 into 53 into 2 V1 upon 1000 into 1. This is the calculation of this V 0.5 molar HCl is the x gram of Na2CO3. This one 10 ml diluted solution to the x gram into 10 into this value into 1000 ml of 1 molar HCl 84 gram of NaHCO3 same as the Na2CO3 calculation, that is the V2 minus V1 ml 0.05 molar HCl is equal to by the calculation is the same as Na2CO3 0.05 molar into 84 into V2 minus V1 upon 1000 into 1. This is the y gram of NaHCO3 into the 10 ml diluted solution having 10 into this value of NaHCO3 into the 10 into y, and last upon the result table of this practical and the final reading, titration reading with phenolphthalein, that is the V1 reading, titration reading with methyl orange, this is the V2, and amount of Na2CO3 is given solution, the value having the calculation, and amount of NaHCO3 in the given solution, the value of 10 y gram is the NaHCO3 by calculation, putting this value in result table. Thank you so much.